to do in the game today. Exactly, that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Just serious, focus.
We are just about set for the start of this fourth chapter of this continuing NBA Finals series. Warriors and Cavs, but getting here was not the script either team imagined when the season began.
It should not be taken for granted that we're here for 4 straight times. This is not normal.
It's a new year, new series, and it presents new challenges.
There's something magical about LeBron James and what he's doing in the postseason this year. So they'll have to keep him in check.
Everybody's projecting the Warriors to win. The Warriors got to come out from start to finish with relentless effort.
It's going to come down to who wants it more, who's going to make those extra plays, get those 50-50 balls.
It's going to be pretty lit here, I think, tonight. And the crowd's going to be bonkers tonight, so it'll be fun to be a part of that.
Oracle is going nuts right now. They are ready for this one. Curry and Durant. Curry throws it up. Durant throws it down. Ahead to Curry. Curry sets, fires, puts it up. Bang! Steph Curry from way downtown.
Here comes LeBron James from about 28 feet, and he drilled it. Curry for 3 left side. He ties the game at 73.
Curry answers back. Steph Curry with his 4th three-pointer.
James will drive in. Looney meets him, fouls him, bank shot, good, and he's going to go to the line and a chance to give the Cavaliers a 2-point lead. Curry with the ball. Dribble drive on J.R. Smith. Down the lane to the rim. Goes up, scored, and he got fouled. He got fouled. He tumbles down to the right. Curry spins, shoots, it's short. Rebound grab by J.R. Smith. The game is tied at 107. We're going to overtime. What a crazy finish. Oh, my goodness.
Curry drives to the basket, throws it behind his back to Livingston. Livingston jump hook, bounces in. A 7-0 run to start the extra period.
To Draymond, takes a 3. It's good. He nailed it. The shot clock buzzer was down to 0 about halfway home.
Throws it out, Thompson catches, fires, connects. Klay Thompson makes it an 11-point lead.
Warriors win by 10 in overtime. 124 to 114.